Thanks to this nonsense, she managed to lose 5 kilos in a week. It is clear that all people like to be thin. But many times it is difficult. Today we go with some diets to lose weight easily and quickly. 1. Pineapple diet. This diet lasts 3 days. The 3 days should eat the same. Breakfast, a slice of pineapple, 2 boiled eggs, tea or coffee without sugar or with dietary sugar. Lunch, 1 slice of pineapple, 1 piece of baked chicken without skin, green salad with lemon or vinegar. Dinner, fish, green salad, coffee or tea. They lose 5 to 7 pounds. 2. Tuna diet. For 3 days. Breakfast, 1 can of tuna and water, pineapple slices to taste, vegetable salad seasoned with olive oil. Lunch, 1 tuna can in water or 1 roast chicken breast, 1 baked potato or 1 cup steamed rice, melon slices to taste. Dinner, 1 can of tuna and water, sliced watermelon to taste, salad of vegetables dressed with olive oil. 3. To speed up metabolism. Before each meal, take a delicious glass of ice water to boost your metabolism. Another homemade trick that can speed up your metabolism and help you stay in shape is to drink green tea or oolong tea. Either of these 2 teas is very effective for people who are trying to control their weight since they give a boost to the metabolism. Another easy trick to speed up metabolism is to take a spoonful of olive oil on an empty stomach. 4. Diet of olive oil. This diet is special to accompany the Russian home remedy of taking a spoonful of olive oil on an empty stomach. Plan to lose 30 pounds in 6 months. The best way to lose weight without the body suffering is to do it slowly and in a healthy way. Always consult a doctor before starting a diet.